Mechanical keyboards continue to grow in demand thanks to their durability, tactile feedback, and superior typing experience. Gamers and typists alike are drawn to their responsiveness and customization options. In this guide, we evaluate essential factors such as switch type, build quality.
List number 1. Rowing machine for home, 350 pounds capacity. This rowing machine for home, with a 350-pound weight capacity, is designed with durability and performance in mind. Built to accommodate a wide range of users, it features a sturdy steel frame that ensures long-term stability even during high-intensity workouts. The machine offers a smooth, quiet rowing motion that mimics the natural feel of rowing on water, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned athletes. The resistance system is fully adjustable, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. The LCD monitor tracks essential metrics like time, distance, calories, and stroke count, helping you stay on top of your progress. The machine is also designed with a comfortable padded seat and non-slip footrests, ensuring ergonomic support during long sessions. One of its highlights is its foldable design, which makes it a great choice for home users who need to save space. The transportation wheels also make it easy to move and store. Pros: high weight capacity, durable steel frame.
List number 2. Water rowing machine for home use, Winoker Wooden Foldable RW. For those who prefer a more authentic rowing experience, the Winoker Wooden Water Rowing Machine stands out. Crafted from durable hardwood, it not only looks elegant, but also provides a realistic rowing sensation with its water resistance system. Each stroke generates natural resistance, making workouts smooth and engaging. Its foldable design is a big plus, allowing for compact storage when not in use. The water tank system is built for longevity, and the clear panel lets you see the swirling water while rowing, adding to the immersive feel. The ergonomic seat, non-slip handles, and adjustable footrests ensure comfort throughout your session. The machine supports a solid weight capacity and comes with a performance monitor to track basic metrics like distance, strokes, and calories. While it lacks advanced app connectivity, its simplicity is appealing for users who want a no-fuss, effective machine that doubles as a piece of stylish furniture.
List number 3. Merrick Rowing Machines for Home. The Merrick rowing machine is designed for home users who want a blend of performance and technology. Its standout feature is the magnetic resistance system, which operates quietly and allows smooth transitions between resistance levels. This makes it suitable for apartment living where noise reduction is a priority. The included smart app integration lets you sync your workouts with fitness apps, track performance, and even access guided training sessions. The LCD monitor adds extra convenience by displaying calories, distance, and time. With a sturdy build and strong frame, it supports long-term reliability. Comfort is another plus. The cushioned seat and adjustable foot pedals reduce strain during extended workouts. It's also compact and foldable, making it an excellent choice for smaller spaces.
List number 4. Rowing machine, Winoker Magnetic Rower Machine for Home. The Winoker Magnetic Rower is built with versatility and durability in mind. With a heavy-duty steel frame and smooth magnetic resistance, it's engineered to deliver consistent performance while staying whisper quiet. The adjustable resistance levels provide plenty of options for both casual workouts and high-intensity training. Its user-friendly design includes an LCD monitor that tracks calories, strokes, distance, and workout time. The comfortable seat and foam-padded handles help prevent fatigue, while the large, non-slip pedals keep you stable. It also has a folding mechanism with transport wheels for easy storage. The Winoker Magnetic Rower strikes an excellent balance between affordability and quality, making it a strong contender for families and fitness enthusiasts alike. While it doesn't replicate the natural feel of water rowing, its quiet operation and adjustable difficulty levels make it one of the most convenient options for home use.
Number 5. Merrick Foldable Rowing Machines for Home. The Merrick Foldable Rowing Machine is designed for compact living spaces without sacrificing functionality. Featuring a magnetic resistance system, it ensures quiet and smooth operation, making it perfect for early morning or late night workouts. This rower stands out with its fully foldable frame, making it easy to tuck away under a bed or into a closet when not in use. It also includes app compatibility, giving users access to guided training programs, workout data tracking, and even online challenges. The build quality is solid, with a comfortable padded seat and sturdy foot pedals for support. The machine offers multiple resistance levels that allow for progressive training, suitable for both beginners and experienced rowers. While the Merrick Foldable may not have the raw power of water or air resistance systems, it shines in convenience and compact storage.